Welcome to This Week in Wimberley. I'm Chris Doelle. I will be joined shortly by Mr. Z, Gary Zupancic. This is a show where we talk about what's going on in and around the Wimberley Valley, all the fun stuff. We will get to that in just a moment, but first, quick message from some people who made this show possible.
Looking for a one-stop shop for all your indoor, outdoor, garden, and ranch needs? Look no further than King Feed and Hardware. Our customers rave about our old general store vibe and the unique, eclectic mix of products you won't find anywhere else. Whether you need tools for the garden, supplies for your pets, equipment for your livestock or construction business, or just something for your home, we've got you covered. Plus, don't miss our destination nursery and garden center with a constantly changing inventory of plants, trees, vegetables, yard art, and outdoor furniture. Bring the family and visit our animal residence or pick up toys, games, and books for the kids. Come see us in Wimberley, Texas and discover what makes King Feed and Hardware the ultimate shopping destination.
Are you looking for a fun and unique way to decorate cookies? Introducing Paint Your Own Cookies from 100 Oaks Farms in Inez, Texas. The edible paint palettes make prep and clean up a snap, and their award-winning sugar cookie recipes ensure each bite is a delicious treat. Making PYO cookies is the perfect activity for parties, events, or just a fun night in. It's easy, it's fun, it's super interactive for both kids and adults. You create and decorate your own cookie masterpieces with endless possibilities of designs and patterns. Whether it's for a party, a special event, or just a thoughtful gift, PYO cookie kits are sure to make your occasion a sweet success. Visit their website at 100oaksfarmtexas.com or give them a call at 937-499-4790 to order your own Paint Your Own Cookie Kit today. All right, everybody, join me in welcoming Gary Zupancic to the show. Professor Z, how you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
It's going well, other than a lot of heat, right?
Oh, yeah. And there doesn't look like there's going to be any relief in sight. But really, Wimberley is still packed at noontime.
Nice.
It really is.
There's still a lot to do.
Yeah, well, I was doing my radio show on Tuesday, and, it was packed. I mean, nice. I couldn't, because I pop in there, and it's like, hey, there's no spaces. So I ended up walking, too, so that's good for the city,
Yeah, big time.
But otherwise, I think most of us just stay inside in the AC.
Right.
In the news, July it's been declared Park and Recreation Month, which I thought, well, it's a little too hot for that. It's a little too hot. And speaking of which, there was a San Marcos wildfire. About 50 acres were burned, and it was off Hilliard Road, in case you're coming through there for any reason, Really, the big news this last week was the 4th of July parade. It took over downtown Wimberley. We are real proud of it. Yeah, it's just a lot of good memories. It's really the midpoint of summer, and I hope a little bit of spring comes back instead of just being summer or fall or anything, So, fine art gallery opened up in Wimberley Valley. It's called Studio 220, and it's on Oak Hollow Road, and it's named after, of course, 220 Gallery. That's their address. It's a project by owner, curator, and artist Susan Oliver. So that's right across the street from the radio station. That whole big little complex now. It used to be, just a little thing. There's 2 or 3 restaurants in there. Los Olivos is there. And really, seriously, the big news coming up is Mayor Gina Fulkerson is going to be giving the City of Wimberley at the annual State of the City luncheon. And that'll be hosted by Wimberley Valley Chamber of Commerce, Wednesday, July 19th, 11:30 to 1 p.m. at the Community Center. And you can go to wimberley.org or contact the Chamber of Commerce office at 512-847-2201. A couple of things going on really indoors, right? this one. Naturally Bountiful Basil with the Herb Society of America, Hill Country Unit, Friday, July 21st at 11 a.m. With Sarah Holland, and you'll learn about the many uses of basil. And let's see, the library. Library has Be Kind, Be Happy, Be Well, Be You. Come discover essential oil recipes to help you be your BST self.
Nice.
Freebies, gift bags, and all that unbelievable stuff. July 27th at 2 p.m. It's a Thursday with Mary Hill Aromatherapy class. Be your BEEST self, and that's at the library.
Yeah.
And of course, always the Farmers and Artisan Market there Thursday, right on Ranch Road 12, and the First Baptist Church, Wintersville. And, you can get all the fresh grown vegetables, et cetera. Really, seriously, I have tomatoes. And of course, they're not blooming, they're not flowering anymore, but I had a lot, and of course, they're all coming to vine right now, and I'll be picking them the next couple of days, but I had tomatoes.
Yeah, we had a bunch. We did cherry tomatoes and regular tomatoes, and you're right, they're not flowering anymore, so I think this is the end of them.
It's the end of it. Oh, also, the Sunday market behind the Blanco Brew every Sunday, 9 to 11 a.m. There's a lot of farmers come out there, and there's other crafts and that type of stuff. So really, we have like two markets. And also the usual Wimberley Valley Museum is open for every Friday from 1 to 4 p.m. And it's located in front of the community center at 8. And it's the 1857 Winters Wimberley House. And it's open for visitors, of course, or locals. And, of course, VFW Bingo every Friday. Early bird starts at 7 p.m. Bingo starts at 8. Food available at the VFW Hall, 401 Jacobswell Road. So that is most of the local news. If I forgot something, hey, contact Chris and yell at him.
That's right.
Yeah. So today, really Friday, July 14th, 10:15 a.m., Erica Daniels at the KWVH patio. 6 p.m., Cole Risner at Ghost Note. 6:30, our friends Marvin and Laura Batera at Fishtails. Saturday, guitarista Kelly at the Wimberley Bar and Inn, and that's 10 a.m. 12 noon, Ryan French Shack at Henson Square. 5 p.m., Jesse Stratton at Ghost Note Brewery. 6 p.m., guitarist, I have trouble with that word every week. Guitarista Kelly at Corazon de Mexico. 6 p.m., Jim and Hillary at Middleton Brewery. Also at 6, Curtis Roush at Rough House. Then at 7, Cameron Winkler at Hay City Store and Chain Bridge Road Band at Savages, both at 7. 8 p.m., Sarah Jaffe at Devil's Backbone. Also at 8, Finger Pistol at Mercer Street. Sunday, the Georges at Devil's Backbone at 1. Pearl Snaps at Mercer Street at 3 p.m. And 5 p.m., Angelo Marinkas Blues, Beer, and Burgers at Savages. Kim Meeks and her Bad Habits at Hay City Store, and that's at 6. Monday, 10:15 a.m., The Last Semanas at KWVH Patio. 6 p.m., River Mountain Green at Savages. Also at 6, W.C. Clark at Hay City Store. Also at 6, Open Mic at Middleton Brewery. I'm going to go and really do most of the week. 10:15, Jared Ray Reddick at KWVH Patio. 6 p.m., Mogun Batera and Friends, Songwriter Swap at Fishtails. 6 p.m., Anna Mae Rose at Hay City Store. Wednesday, 10:15, KWVH Patio, Sue Foley. 6 p.m., Rochelle and the Sidewinders at Hay City Store. I guess I did all because I really like that name, Rochelle and the Sidewinders. And at 6:30 p.m., Song Circle at Savages. So really, each week, the bands in town are provided by, information on them are provided by Carl Rabineau of the Wimberley Valley Arts and Cultural Alliance, or WVACA. You can look them up on the internet, and they cover everybody. If you have a creative thought, they're really great people. So this week is the Merles. And the Merles are an original classic country band based out of Austin. And really, it features last week's artists, Todd Detheridge, Mike Sims, Phil Spencer, and Matt Weingartner. And really, they try to create an old-school traditional sound that echoes memory of Bob Wills for me. And, a lot of influences, Hank Williams, Lefty Frizzell, that type of George Strait. But really, this song, Always Be a Texan, is really, it sounded to me like Bob Wills' Come Back. So here they are.
April 15th rolled around, and I lost everything except the ground. But I'll sit in dirt happily, 'cause there's something they can never ever take from me. Oh, no faded love remains, but there's a birthright given to my name. It says I'm born in God's country, so take anything you want from me, 'cause I'll always be a Texan, and Texas will always be with me. Oh, I'll always be a Texan. Oh, sticks and stones may break my bones, but it's the best state in the country. So it's nothing I can't mend, and Lord knows it's not a sin. I may not be a Rangers fan, but I'll always be a Texan. Up the ground, but I'll sit in dirt happily, 'cause there's something they can never ever take from me. Oh, no faded love remains, but there's a birthright given to my name. It says I'm born in God's country, so take anything you want from me, 'cause I'll always be a Texan, and Texas will always be with me. Oh, I'll always be a Texan. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but it's the best state in the country. So it's nothing I can't mend, and Lord knows it's not a sin. Well, I may not be a Rangers fan, but I'll always be a Texan.
Excellent stuff as usual. Yeah, I'm with you on the Bob Wills stuff. That's
he was like, "Whoa, man!" So yeah, they're playing at the 14th. It's 6 to 8 Texas Beer Company in Taylor, Texas. Longhorn Saloon on Saturday, the 22nd at 6. The next day, Beer Burger Brewing at 3:30. And really, what I'm getting to is they're going to be in Drippet Springs all weekend. August 4th and 5th at the Desert Door and Sidecar Tasting Room. And this was interesting. I didn't know that Geronimo VFW actually has a little dance venue. And they're going to be there. They're going to be in Geronimo Sunday, August 6th at 3 p.m. So
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, who we got for a nonprofit?
It's Fig Tree. The Fig Tree is an outreach program, and what they do is they serve over 100-plus children each school year and provide them with backpacks of nutritious foods and snacks each week.
Nice.
Yeah, they pack over 400 bags per month to feed the Wimberley kids in need. You know, really, sometimes the only decent meals some kids really in Wimberley receive is at school, and you know they provide for the weekends. So since 2005, they have provided over 16,000 bags to kids in need. So, so look them up on the internet. The Fig Tree I guess it's fixedstreet.org on the internet. So, yeah, don't forget to tune in to the Hitching Post, 1 p.m. on Tuesday on KWVH 94.3 or KWVH.org. And this next week's guest is 86-year-old Dale Robertson, the Dean of Central Texas Newspaper Publishers. I guess that's the best way to put it. He's got a couple of Elvis stories. He's got a couple of Elvis stories, too. I've been pumping that all week. Mm-hmm. So, yeah, other than that, I think we can go ahead.
Cool. Well, once again, thank you. An excellent show. Lots of fun stuff. Lots of reasons to come and visit Wimberley. And you spend a couple days. Yes,
I agree. As long as the air conditioning.
Yes. That's one thing that we have at all our B&Bs and inns, and we've got good air conditioning.
Exactly. So come on to Wimberley.
I love it. Thank you so much, Gary, and we'll be talking next week.
All right, take care, Chris.
Are you a business owner with little time to spare? Don't have enough time to do social media marketing well? You don't have to let it fall by the wayside. Let Fresh Media Works create and post engaging content on your behalf. With prices starting at just $75 a month, our services make you look great without breaking the bank. Text social to 713-269-4620 and let us handle it.
As always, I want to thank Gary for sitting down with me. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, for giving us what I consider the most important and valuable gift you can give, and that is your time and your attention. Go out there and participate in your city. Participate in all the great events going on in the city, and tell us about it on your Facebook groups, on your Twitter, anywhere you have friends. Share it out.